what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue, or should I say a quick episode of Bad Beast Barbecue, because tonight we're going to pick the winner of our London Sunshine Mini Kamado Grill, all right? So you guys have had all week to watch the video, put the magic comment into the magic phrase into your comment so that you can enter the contest for the London Sunshine Mini Kamado. Okay, so we're going to be using this website called the YouTube Comment Picker, and we have our link, and we'll paste it into the field. We are going to filter any duplicate users. We don't want to give anybody any unfair advantages to winning the Kamado. So if you put 2 or 3 comments in there, hoping to have 2 or 3 chances, won't work probably because it's going to filter any duplicate user names. All right. We have the number of winners is going to be 1. London Sunshine is only giving away 1 mini Kamado grill. All right, and we're going to be using the Wheel of Fortune animation to pick our winner. All right, so the colors have already been selected. For this website, we have to solve the sum of the equation so that the website knows we're human and not a bot. So 9 plus 2 is 11. And then we are going to get our YouTube comments. So we'll click here. And we have 41 subscribers or 41 comments, 41 subscribers that have entered the contest for the Kamado Grill. So all we're going to do now is we're going to go to our Wheel of Fortune over here. I'm going to expand the screen so you guys can see it a little bit better. And then we have 41 names around this wheel here, all right? And so we're going to pick our winner. So I want to say good luck to everybody. And here we go. Bang, and there it is. And the winner is Penguin Memes 4363. And their comment was, "Gimme that mini. Love your videos. I am learning how to barbecue properly and would love one of those mini Kamados." Well, Penguin 4363, you have won the mini Kamado. So congratulations, okay? So I will contact you, send you a message, and get your shipping information, and I'll pass it on to London Sunshine, and they will ship you out a mini Kamado grill, okay? Well, this was fun. Thanks to everybody who entered the contest, who watched the video, who supports the channel, okay? Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that whenever we put new content out, especially these type of contests that some of the companies that we deal with sponsor these giveaways, that you will know about it. All right, and that's about it. So excuse me, once again, congratulations to Penguin Memes 4363. All right, and that's about it, guys. So hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.